Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do this pretty dragonfly crown look. First I'm going to start out with some Wolfe White loaded on a number 6 round brush, and I'm going to make a larger oval shape in the center of the forehead and then bring down a series of dots going from larger to smaller straight down the forehead. Next I'll be using the Reid Lily Petal brush to accomplish the rest of this look. I'm just going to load it really well with some Kryvaline White. You can see I'm really working the paint up well till I get a nice opaque consistency. And then I'll take a clean sponge and just wipe the very tip of my petal brush off. Next I'll activate my Kryvaline Creamy Rose. This is a very dark, beautiful burgundy color, and I'll just wipe the tip of my brush in that Kryvaline Creamy Rose. And next I'll drag the tip and lay it down to create the dragonfly wings on each side. So on the top one, drag it, lay it down. The bottom one should be slightly smaller and lay it down. I'll use that same exact process to create the flowers and the petals in this design. So I'm just again putting the tip in that darker color, and I'll go to the side of the wing and I'll make a series of petals. You can just do a few petals, but I wanted this to be a really fluffy, bigger flower, so I'm making lots of extra petals on it. And I'll come to the other side of the dragonfly wing and do the same exact thing, trying to keep these both symmetrical. And then once I'm done with those flowers, I'll come to the sides of the flowers and make a series of petals going up and back toward the hairline. Next I'll use that same drag and drop technique to make some pretty elongated petal shapes coming from the outer corner of the eye. So I'll just drag the tip up, lay it down, drag the tip, lay it down, and I'll keep doing that. There's a series of 5 petals coming out from the outer corner of the eye. If you want to elongate them, you always can. Next for the leaves, I've loaded the same brush in some Tag Light Green, and I've tipped it in some Global Deep Green. And I'm just going to press in a series of small leaves around the design. This is a very fast way to add leaves to any kind of floral design that you're doing. And next, with a well-loaded number 6 round brush, I'm coming in with some more of that Kryvaline White and making a series of larger to smaller dots descending down from each of those petal shapes. I'll also come down below the corners of the eyes and make a series of dots from larger to smaller as I get toward the inner corner of the eyes, and the same thing above the eyebrow. So larger on the edge of the eyebrow and then smaller as it goes toward the center of the face. Next, for a finishing touch, I'm going to add some Afterglow Cosmetic glitter just throughout the design, and since I had these pretty little pink flower gems, I'm going to add those in the centers of my flowers as well. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys like this and you can use this or some element of this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.